Hello students, again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Omkar English Classes. And students, this is the last part 4th of the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Saroyan. So students, watch this video carefully so that you may answer the questions given in the last. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. And then at last, sighing sadly, he said, "My white horse, which was stolen last month, is still gone. I cannot understand it." So, Aram's mother brought some coffee and tobacco, and the visitor rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. Then he took a sigh sadly and told everything about his horse, that his white horse had been stolen and it is still gone. He was unable to understand anything, what to do and what not. My uncle Khusro became very irritated and shouted, "It's no harm. What is the loss of a horse?" Again, students, now again comes the dialogue of Mr. Khusro. It's no harm. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, कोई नुकसान नहीं है. What is the loss of a horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? What is this crying over a horse? क्या हुआ? एक घोड़ा खो गया. हमने अपनी जमीनें खोई हैं. क्या छोटी सी चीज एक घोड़े के ऊपर तुम रोने बैठ जाते हो? So students, that may be all right for you, a city dweller, to say, John Byro said. But what of my surrey? Surrey means घोड़े की गाड़ी. What good is a surrey without a horse? क्या फायदा है उस घोड़े की गाड़ी का अगर उसमें घोड़ा नहीं है तो? Pay no attention to it. My uncle Khusro roared. So Uncle Khusro again repeated the dialogue. Pay no attention to it. My left leg pains me, the farmer said. Farmer ने बोला, मेरी लेफ्ट लेग्स में पेन होना शुरू हो गया भाई, ढूंढते ढूंढते. Pay no attention to it. My uncle Khusro roared. That horse cost me $60, the farmer said. अरे $60 का है मेरा घोड़ा. I spit on money. थूकता हूं पैसे पे मैं. My uncle Khusro said. He got up and stalked out of the house, slamming the screen door. दरवाजे को तेजी से बंद करके बाहर निकल जाता है. My mother explained. He has a gentle heart, she said. It is simply that he is homesick and such a large man. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. He was sitting under a peach tree, trying to repair the hurt wing of a young robin which couldn't fly. He was talking to the bird. So the farmer went from there, slamming the screen door. So Aram's mother explained that he is a gentleman. What is the need to do so with a gentleman? So she said simply that he is homesick and such a large man. So the farmer went from there and Aram went to his cousin Murad's house. Murad was sitting under a peach tree. He was trying to give the treatment to the hurt robin, to the young robin, which could not fly. He was talking to the bird. Bird से बात कर रहा था वो. What is it? He said. The farmer, John Byro, I said. He visited our house. He wants his horse. You have had it a month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. I will take you. It will take you a year to learn to ride. My cousin Murad said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. My cousin Murad leapt to his feet. What? Are you inviting a member of the Garagulanian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. I said, when? In 6 months, at the latest, he said. He threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice, but at last flew away, high and straight. Early every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. And every morning, the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapes, vines, and small trees and threw me and ran away. Nevertheless, I hopped in time to learn to ride the way my cousin Murad rode. One morning on the way to Fatwajian's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Byro, who was on his way to town. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. So students, Aram reached at Murad's house and Murad asked him, what is the matter? Aram told him about John Byro, who came to their house searching for his, telling about his horse loss. Aram told him about it. Aram asked him and he asked him to return the horse. So Aram asked him not to return the horse until he learns to ride it. Murad told Aram that it will take him a whole year to learn to ride a horse. 1 साल लग जाएगा तुझे घोड़ा सीखने में. Aram said they could keep him for a year. ठीक है, 1 साल रख लेंगे. Murad stood up on his feet. क्या? About encouraging him to be a thief in spite of being a member of the Garagulanian family. Garagulanian family के किसी सदस्य को तुम चोर कहलवाना चाहते हो? He declared that the horse should go to his true owner. मुराद ने बोला नहीं, ये घोड़ा अपने मालिक के पास जरूर जाएगा. आरम ने पूछा, when would they have to return the horse, to which Murad said in 6 months. 6 महीने बोला उसने. He threw the bird into the air. It almost fell twice but flew at last. For the next 2 weeks, उन लोगों ने उस घोड़े को निकाला वहां से, रोज राइडिंग करते थे और जब भी अरम की बारी आती थी तो घोड़ा उसको गिरा के वहां से भाग जाता था. कभी भी अरम उस तरीके से राइडिंग करना नहीं सीख पाया जैसे उसका कजन मुराद करता था. तो उसने सोचा, वन मॉर्निंग क्या हुआ एक दिन कि सुबह सुबह ऑन द वे टू फतवजीन्स डिजर्टेड वाइनयार्ड वी रैन इनटू द फार्मर जॉन बायरो. वो जॉन बायरो की तरफ जा रहे थे, उनको रास्ते में मिला, रास्ते में था वो. मुराद इंसिस्टेड ऑन टॉकिंग टू हिम एज ही हैड अ वे विद फार्मर्स. उसने कहा कि मैं बात करता हूँ. अंदाजा लगाओ क्यों कहा उसने, क्योंकि वो यही कहने वाला है कि आई हैव अ वे विद फार्मर्स. I have a way with farmers. Again, the same dialogue. Good morning, John Byro. My cousin Murad said to the farmer. Farmer studied the horse eagerly. घोड़ा साथ में था उनके, तो फार्मर ने पूरा स्टडी किया. Good morning, son of my friends. मेरे दोस्त के बेटों, good morning. He said. What is the name of your horse? तो मेरे कजन मुराद ने बोला आर्मेनियन में, इसका नाम है माई हार्ट, मेरा दिल. अ लवली नेम, जॉन बायरो सेड, फॉर अ लवली हॉर्स. इस प्यारे से घोड़े का इतना प्यारा नाम. आई कुड स्वेयर इट इज द हॉर्स दैट वाज स्टोलन फ्रॉम मी मैनी वीक्स अगो. उसने कहा मैं कसम खा के बोल सकता था कि यही जो कई हफ्ते पहले घोड़ा मेरे यहाँ से चोरी हुआ था, यही है वो, मैं ये कह सकता था, लेकिन कह नहीं रहा। वाई? मे आई लुक इन टू हिज माउथ? इसका मुंह चेक करूं? ऑफ कोर्स। द फार्मर लुक्ड इन टू द माउथ ऑफ द हॉर्स, tooth for tooth, he said. I would swear it is my horse if I did not know your parents. कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को ना जानता तो पक्का मैं ये कह सकता था कि घोड़ा मेरा है। मतलब ये हुआ इस बात का, उसके पेरेंट्स को वो जानता है, उसके पेरेंट्स ईमानदार हैं, उनकी पूरी ट्राइब ईमानदार है, तो अगर वो ये कहे कि ये घोड़ा मेरा है तो इसका मतलब उन्होंने चुराया है, वो चोर साबित हो गए, इनकी पूरी कास्ट चोर साबित हो गई, पूरी ट्राइब। तो वो कह रहा है कि अगर तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को ना जानता तो मैं ये कह देता कि ये घोड़ा मेरा है। सो हम्बल ही वॉज। सो द फेम ऑफ योर फैमिली फॉर ऑनेस्टी इज वेल नोन टू मी। तुम्हारी फैमिली की जो ईमानदारी है, ईमानदारी के लिए जो तुम्हारी फैमिली प्रसिद्ध है, उसको मैं अच्छी तरह जानता हूं। येट द हॉर्स इज द ट्विन ऑफ माई हॉर्स। मेरे घोड़े का ये जुड़वा होगा। A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. एक शक्की आदमी होगा जो अपने दिल के अलावा अपनी आंखों पर विश्वास करेगा अपने दिल के बजाय। मेरा दिल ये कहता है कि तुम्हारी फैमिली ईमानदार है, तो एक घोड़ा तुम्हारा ही होगा। गुड डे माई यंग फ्रेंड्स। गुड डे जॉन बायरो, माई कजन मुराद सेड। अर्ली द फॉलोइंग मॉर्निंग we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. आने वाली सुबह को, अगली सुबह को हमने जॉन बायरो के यहाँ पर घोड़ा छोड़ दिया। The dogs followed us around without making a sound. डॉग्स हमें फॉलो कर रहे थे, चारों तरफ घूम रहे थे बिना आवाज किए। The dogs, I whispered to my cousin Murad. मैंने कहा मुराद देखो डॉग्स। I thought they would bark. मैंने सोचा वो भौंकेंगे। They would at somebody else, he said. तो मेरे कजन मुराद ने कहा किसी और पे भौंकेंगे वो, हम पर नहीं भौंकेंगे। क्यों? I have a way with dogs. Again the same dialogue. मैं कुत्तों से डील करना बड़ा अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ, मैं उनको, मुझे समझ है उनकी, उनके बारे में जानता हूँ। My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse. मुराद ने घोड़े के ऊपर अपना हाथ रखा। Pressed his nose into the horse nose, patted it, and then we went away. तो वहां उसने उस घोड़े को बड़े ध्यान से, उसको बड़े प्यार से वहां पर बांधा और pressed his nose into the horse nose, patted him, and then they went away. वहां से चले गए। That afternoon, John Byro came to our house in his surrey and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. I don't know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever. Better tempered too. I thank God, my uncle Khusro. I thank God. My uncle Khusro, who was in the parlor, became irritated and shouted, "Quiet man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it. Pay no attention to it." So, जब जॉन बायरो वापस अगले दिन उस घोड़े को अपनी बग्गी में लेकर के आता है, उसने अरम की मदर को घोड़ा दिखाया कि देखो यही वो घोड़ा है जो चोरी हो गया था और पहले से अच्छा टेम्परमेंट हो गया इसका, पहले से ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया है, भगवान तेरा धन्यवाद। अंकल खुसरो पार्लर में बैठे और चिल्लाने लगे, अरे भाई सुनो, शांत हो जाओ, शांत, घोड़ा मिल गया ना, चलो, पे नो अटेंशन टू इट। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट वॉज a very good dialogue of Uncle Khusro. Pay no attention to it. And I have a way with dogs, I have a way with horse, I have a way with farmers. These were all the dialogues of Aram. So students, question number 1. How did Uncle Khusro react when John Byro told him about the stealing of the horse? 2. Why was Murad not agree to keep the horse for a year? What reason did he tell Aram? 3. How did John Biro checked the horse? 4. Why did John Biro say the horse was his horse twin? 5. What do you think induced the boys to return the horse to its owner? Well, students, write the answers of these questions into your notebook and send it to me as soon as possible. Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.